All right, mate. This is an interesting question. There is no one answer, right? It depends. It depends on market structure. It depends on what part of the market cycle we're on. And it probably depends on the coin itself. How undervalued was it or how overvalued it was when it got listed. So I can't, unfortunately, I can't just give you an answer for that. It has to be, you have to assess every single situation as they come. Now, as Pond is deep in a one-day apex that I would like to see explode up out of that. Now, I don't know when it's going to do that if we get it, but I'm still holding at this point. I don't know if these are the same coins. Both of them are at 10 cent here. This is Marlin up here, and this one's called Pond. So, um, well, you may know better than me. I don't know. I just searched and I seen the KuCoin like you talked about. Is it the same coin? It is the same price, a different name on it. So I would like to see this pump up. For me, I think it's bullish. I think it can help. It's obviously going to bring more awareness. It's going to bring more buyers in theory. Because this is still in a consolidation period, and it may just help pump it. So as long as let me just draw a line. As long as we are above kind of this level here, the lows of the last 3 day candle down here. So as long as we're above that, then I'm still bullish and I'll stay in this. If we start breaking down from that level, well, I probably will just sell out of it and maybe buy lower. But we'll see how we go. A lot of the coins like this have all pumped up out of this. At least went a decent bit higher first. Some of them do break up, and then it can fail, right? That's a possibility, and I'm open to that. But I just want to catch this move here, where I want to be selling above this previous high up in here somewhere. Okay, that's my goal for this coin.